Welcome, in this video we will see theory on extracting data through union statements. Union statement is one of the most useful tools that a database administrator has at his disposal. One just use it to combine the result of two or more select statements. Its basic syntax is as follows. Select column 1, column 2 and so on up to column n from table 1. The next statement is union all. Select column 1, column 2 to column n from table 2. If the applications return all the data returned by the first query by injecting a union followed by another arbitrary query, you can read any table to which database user has access. Matching columns. The union operator needs the following requirement to be satisfied. The two queries must return exactly the same number of columns. The data in corresponding columns of the two select statements must be of the same types. If these two constraints are not satisfied, the query will fail and the error will be returned. The exact error message, of course, depends on which DBMS technology is used at the backend, which can be useful as a fingerprinting tool in case the web application returns the whole message to the user. Now let's see inferring the DBMS version from union-based errors. Microsoft SQL Server. All queries combined using union, intersect or except operator must have an equal number of expressions in their target list. MySQL. The used select statement have a different number of columns. Oracle. Aura 1789 query block has incorrect number of result columns. If you need to find the correct number of columns of the query executed by the products.asp page, you can request URL such as the following until no error is returned. Like this, you can see here products.asp id equals to 12 plus union select null, and so on. Write null twice, then thrice. Another way to reconstruct the same information is to use the order by clause instead of injecting another query. Order by can accept a column name as a parameter, but also a simple number to identify a specific column. Here you can see products.asp id equals to 12 plus order by plus 1, and so on by plus 2, by plus 3, etc. If you receive the first error when using order by 6, it means your query has exactly 5 columns. Don't worry if you are not getting, I will show you each and everything in practical in upcoming videos. Matching data types. The data types of corresponding columns must be of a compatible type. Therefore, assuming that you are interested in extracting a string value, you need to find at least one column that has a string as a data type to use that column to store the data you are looking for. This is simple to do with nulls, as you only need to substitute one column at a time. One null with a simple string should write the following URL. Like here, 12 plus union select test null null null. Select null test null null. They are just moving the test forward by keeping null in the blank spaces. That is one column at a time. Now let's see cast operators. Database server and query. For Microsoft SQL Server, select cast123 as variable character. For MySQL, select cast123 as char. Oracle, select cast1as char from dual. So that's all about theory on extracting data through union statement. No need to worry if you got pretty much little from what I had explained, because I'm explaining each and everything in practical in upcoming video. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.